How awesome is this? Hay bales for raised beds in your backyard really works. So Jessica added some new vegetables to our garden this spring. She added some jalapenos, bell peppers, carrots, cucumbers, tomatoes, okra, and our family favorite, green beans. We're also trying a new way of growing vegetables this year. It's called a hay bale raised bed. It's something I saw on the internet a couple months back, and it's something I just wanted to try. So what do you do in preparation for this? Is you go buy some hay bales. You can get it at the local feed store. They're about like $4 or $5 a piece. Really cheap. It's a lot cheaper actually than trying to build and go and get all this soil and all this mushroom combos for to build a raised bed pretty much. So what do? You get some hay bales, right? And there's a 10-day process to get this thing ready. And so on day 11, you simply plant your vegetables. You can either get plant starters that you get at your feed store or one of those big box stores. Or you can also get seeds and start it from seedlings. It's up to you. How awesome is this? Hay bales for raised beds in your backyard really works. It's been 2.5 months since we fertilized these bad boys and got them going. And look at these beautiful okra plants that are coming out. We even salvaged some half-dead tomato plants and put them in these hay bales, and look how they're doing. This is a must for you to do in your backyard. A couple bucks for some hay bales, a couple bucks for some all-purpose fertilizer, 10 days. Definitely a must try for your backyard.